Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're diving deep into Stephen Covey's acclaimed book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Stay tuned as we explore these life-changing concepts and give you practical tips to implement them in your life. So, without further ado, let's get started. Our first habit, be proactive. This is all about taking charge of your life. Instead of reacting to what life throws at you, take control, make choices, and shape your destiny. Remember, your response to life is always within your power. The next habit is, begin with the end in mind. It's about envisioning your future. What do you want to achieve? Set those long-term goals and start aligning your actions accordingly today. Habit 3, put first things first. It's all about time management. Don't prioritize your schedule. Instead, schedule your priorities. Make sure what's most important to you never gets sidelined. Habit 4, think win-win. Seek solutions that benefit everyone involved. It's about creating an attitude of abundance, where success is not a zero-sum game but a mutual achievement. Habit 5 is, seek first to understand, then to be understood. Effective communication begins with understanding. Remember, to build deeper relationships and solve problems effectively, we must first listen, then speak. The sixth habit is, synergize. When we work together, we achieve more. Harness the power of teamwork and find solutions that are better than what we could come up with alone. Finally, habit 7, sharpen the saw. It's about self-renewal and continuous improvement. Maintain and enhance your greatest asset. That's you. And that's it for today's deep dive. Remember to exercise control over your life. Visualize your goals, prioritize your tasks. Strive for win-win outcomes. Understand others, work together, and invest in self-improvement. Did you find this video helpful? Give us a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into life-changing concepts. Thanks for watching. And until next time, keep growing, keep learning, and keep moving forward.